Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 605. In this video I'll show you how to take screenshot. In the beginning, let's go to Settings to select Gestures. As you can see, this smartphone has 3-finger screenshot feature. Thanks to this gesture, you can swipe down 3 fingers simultaneously to take screenshot. That's very helpful in case you are making a lot of screenshots. Also, you can take classic screenshot by pressing power button and volume down button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.